Okay, quick and dirty fix how to initialize the freaking components on shadcn for Laravel 12 view with shadcn. Oh, new element, right? It should be out of the box, and this should be as a part of the documentation, but of course it's not. Although the team did really good job. And I still don't have work, so I probably am just some random guy that doesn't do much. First thing what you have to do, you see when you try to add a sidebar or anything, you get the error, right? So what you do, you go to your component.json, right? Rename it and make it old, right? Now you go to the shadcn website, then you go into installation, Laravel, pick your package manager. I'm using bun, copy, init, paste, press enter, enter. Yep. And now when we try to add sidebar, everything works. And it's also say that sidebar already exists, so do you want to override? We can say yes. This will override the entire sidebar file. Oh, yes, why not? Yes, why not? Let's override everything. Yes, why not? So we overwritten few things, and see, just like that everything works and there is no more troubles. Thank you for watching, and if it helps, leave it a like. If it doesn't help, yeah, let's hope for a good life with